In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to snipe newly meme coin on Dexscreener and those that launches on Solana. I will encourage you to watch this video to the end because this is a value-packed video. So before I get right in, quickly like this video. Liking the video actually tells me the kind of content people actually enjoys and what people find helpful. So on Dexscreener, what we'll be doing is going to over to new page since we'll be trading newly launched memecoin. And as you can see on the top, there are a lot of chains, but trading on the Solana chains, because Solana chains, there are a lot of volume, a lot of people trading in Solana, so there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of money going into Solana. So what we're doing is very simple. We're looking for a newly launched memecoin. So as you can see, the age is around 24, less than 24 hours. So I'm going to change it to less than 1 hour, change to less than 1 hour so that I'm going to pick up coin that was launched in less than 1 hour. So all these things, liquidity 1k, leave it like this and leave the others the way it is. So right now what we're doing is simply going over them and let's open this up. This was created 54 minutes ago and market cap is like 91k. So just open some of them up on in a new tab and then we go over them to first thing first to eliminate the one that is wrong and then look for the one that we can potentially trade get. So I'm basically looking for the ones with lower market cap too, but you can also open the ones that have higher market cap get and the ones with low, that's the ones I'm looking for, right? Also, you can come over to this age and toggle the sort by age. Get you can click on this to get newly recently launched ones within and 1 second ago, something like that. Yeah, to I just keep on sorting by age to get the most recent ones and it can open up. But suddenly, all of these recent ones, the market cap is quite high, right? Still not bad. So, but I'm looking for the ones with low market cap to trade. So I'm not be opening those ones. So this first one, this one, it has a website, Twitter and Telegram. But then you can quickly copy the CA, come over to Telegram and make use of TTF bot to run a quick check on them. Very important. Then wait for the TTF bot to analyze the particular coin. And as you can see, loose clean and liquidity is 100% lock and it's not mutable. Then top 10 orders are 29%, which I think is still very much okay. Then after that, so with that, I can say that this is not a rogue yet. Other things I checked for is the transactions, transactions. So I can see a lot of both buying into this particular coin, a lot of both buying into it. I think this is why they're buying into it to pump it, but it's kind of uh plenty. So let me just put it $100 and see. I click on this funnel and I type $100 to sort to see people buying this coin with $100 yet and above. And I'm just seeing here is a lot of buy and sell it. I don't know, possibly part of the developers buying and selling the coin, 29 transactions to give the coin volume, something like that. I think this is what they are doing. As you can see, they are just buying and selling the coin to give the coin volume. Even I knew bear, I recommend you just kindly ignore this coin, but then you can still trade it, you get, because in 5 minutes there's still volume about 76k volume, which is still very much okay. Though they're the ones popping the coin, you get the owners of the coin, are the ones popping the coin, they're just buying and selling it to give it volume. And this place is actually a very good entry. You could wait for it at this, you could enter at this place, take small positions at this particular place, you get and take profit and get to 100k market cap. You get because 100k market cap is kind of a psychological levels where people always take profit. As you can see, right, once you get to 100k market cap, people are always taking profit. So it's really bad 80k market cap, take profit on 100k market cap, or then, but this coin is not generally advisable that you should trade because it seems they are the only ones popping the coin, but I don't know. Let me change the filter to $500 and see if there's a big money going to this particular project. So just one massive bot, right, of $500. Then these other ones, okay, this guy made profit, bought around $25, sold for 850. Okay, so this may actually be a very good coin, I see. But then, as always, if you want to buy the coin, just like also what I was saying, take it to 1 second. This is what I will do. Take it to 1 second. You get, and wait for it to retrace. Wait for it to dip. You get. So let's say 70K market cap. And once you get 70K market cap, what you should do is buy at this place. And once you get to 100K or 90 market cap, then you sell. Okay, you can keep on doing this and taking profit along the way you get. Because if you see, one the coin has not been able to pass 100K market cap, it has not been able to pass 100K market cap. As you can see, once you get 100K market cap, a lot of people have been taking profits off it. This is what you should do. Then let's check the other one that I opened. Okay, this particular one, liquidity is unlocked, and then they will remove the liquidity. This one was a log. So this other one long. Okay, liquidity is locked. Stick market cap. You can also copy the CA, go over to TTF boot to check this out. Very important. And also, guys, if you want to buy these particular coins, it is best to use both because it was all that the price keeps on increasing and decreasing at a very fast rate. Again, so bunk both can actually get good entry and exit. So, okay, low claim to me, liquidity is 100% bond, non-mutable, and top 10 orders are only 41%, which is high. 1% is high, says that if one of the devs had to sell, this coin might go down to zero. But then the orders are just 690. So also we put the full name, put it in greater than $100 to see if there are people buying into the coin with large sum of money. Because people buying into the coin with large sum of money are the ones that is going to do what increase or decrease the price movement market cap you get. So right now what's the first thing I do is put in 5 minutes, 1 minute to ascertain where it has gone to before, which like 100K market cap, and now it's down to 60 market cap, which is actually a very good entry at this spot. So you buy at this place too, and you take profit when you get to 90K market cap. Then if you dip again, you buy when you get to 100K market cap. These are it should be get. And if you are taking profit, you get. If for example you bought at this particular place, 50K market cap, right? And you go to 80K market cap, you can take 10% of your profit, you get to 100K, take on that percentage, you get the possibility that this particular project might go viral on on Telegram, on Twitter rather, and it's going to do very well. Yet, as you can see, the website is not here yet, but you can check if they have website on where on paid app. But the website is not here yet. But if they find our website and the query go viral, it might do so well, but we don't know yet. That is why it is best to buy at this place when it's very small and the more where the previous resistance, which is like at this place, you take profit of there, and you can keep on doing this, or you can simply do this and move on to the next screen. I think they are all basically the same. Basically, guys, this is how you trade meme coin, newly launched meme coin. You get so you look for where it has gone before, and you look for psychological levels to enter and psychological levels to sell off. You get most of these coins might actually do really very well and break off this on the market, but when as I was on the market, we don't know that, but it depends on what the team wants. You get on what the dev wants. You get, but as you can see, it has always get it to 100 cap and get it lower, even with the previous ones. You get. So if you're trading meme coin, you should be looking at getting 2x, get looking at making 2x of it. And as you can see, transaction, this is 1 second chart, and transactions are going really very fast. That's why you need a sniping tool, which the one I use is bunk boot, or there are other ones like angry bot, true fan and others, but I use either of these ones to get in very fast and get in. You get you just copy the CA, places on the boat, with that you can simply buy. You get, depending on your budget, and if you want to sell, you can simply sell. You get, very easy. So guys, if you have any question, do just put that in the comment section. I'll join my Telegram WhatsApp community. There I drop CAs and calls if you want to. Guys, I'll see my next video. Peace out.